Dr. Alexei Sukhotin was director of the White Sea Biological Research Station, Kartesh. It is in the Republic of Karelia, Russia. How are the life circumstances at the White Sea Research Station, and how far is the nearest village or city?
Well, the White Sea Biological Station, Kartesh, is located in the absolutely uninhabited area of the White Sea coast, and the nearest village is 30 kilometers, which can be reached by boat. We do not have road to this village, so it is a pristine place where the station is situated, and people live there and work there. We have living places and laboratory places too.
Why is the White Sea so special?
The White Sea is a very interesting basin, a very interesting sea, which has a specific features. For example, it combines both features of the Arctic Sea and the temperate sea, the boreal sea. So it has two water layers which are combined, which are horizontal water layers, and they almost do not mix. The upper water layer, which is about 70 meters, it is a little bit freshened waters with very high seasonal changes of temperature, and this water is inhabited by boreal animals and plants, while the lower water body below the 70 meters, it is the Arctic waters, which have a temperature never rising up above 0 degrees, so negative temperatures, and the seasonal variation is very, very small, and Arctic creatures live there.
What kind of animals, plants, and microscopic living creatures are living in the White Sea at this very special deep area, which were also in this movie, what was premiered tonight, where the German artist Nathalie Grenzhaeuser is showing your research team?
Yes, Nathalie Grenzhaeuser mostly showed these upper waters, which are richly inhabited by planktonic animals, zooplankton, crustaceans, different jellyfishes of different species, and ctenophores and many other animals. And yes, there are plants. Of course, there are algae and seaweeds in this area, in this water body. But the Arctic waters, which are below the 70 meters, they are also inhabited by many animals like mollusks, like polychaete worms, and many other creatures, including medusas too, and zooplankton, which is an Arctic species and prefer the cold waters without strong seasonality.
What are your plans for the future?
My plans for the future are to go on with my research. I have several projects running at the station, so we are working with my colleagues on the ecology and physiology of marine animals, and we are studying the metabolic physiology of these creatures in the environmental conditions of the White Sea. And we will try to predict what will happen if the climate changes hits the White Sea. And so the water temperature will rise and what will happen with their life cycles and population dynamics.